Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for you. Cooking with Gloria.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to show you step by step how to prepare a classic egg salad. It comes out delicious. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients.
Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. With Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for you. Cooking with Gloria.
I want to start with the eggs. I have 1 dozen eggs. And on the stove, I have a pan with boiling water. This part is very important, my loves. You need to add your eggs to boiling water. Don't ever add it to cold water, or else it's going to be so difficult to take the skin off. So here the water was boiling. I'm adding my eggs and I'm going to cook them in high heat for only 12 minutes. Don't overcook your eggs. This part is important because the egg yolk will turn blue, and that's exactly what you don't want. I have my mayonnaise for sandwich and has so many delicious flavors. And now I am ready to start making my dressing. Half a cup of this mayonnaise. I'm going to go ahead and add it directly into this little bowl. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. I am going to add half lemon juice into this mixture. And then I am ready to chop away the celery stalks. I'm only using 2. I'm going to use 1/4 of an onion. You don't want to add too much of these. You really want to add just enough to get that amazing flavor. You want to slice it nice and thin and then chop it in little squares and then dice it. When I say dice, you're going to dice for about 2 to 3 minutes, making sure that it is really diced and you can't even see the little pieces of celery in your egg salad. So now that it's nice and chopped, of course, I chopped it, diced it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and now I'm ready to do the same thing with the onion. I'm going to slice it nice and thin, and then I'm just going to chop away until it's really fine, diced nice and finely. Let me tell you, once you make this very classic egg salad, you're going to continue enjoying it. Very few ingredients, but the flavor is so delicious and amazing. And it is perfect for this hot weather. So here I am going to add the onion into the mixture. And now I am ready to incorporate all these amazing ingredients. I'm going to add everything in here. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, and we are going to incorporate it. And now this is completely done. Now the timer just went off, 12 minutes, and I am ready to remove the eggs from the boiling water. Once you remove them, you're going to add some ice, you're going to add some water, and you're going to leave them there for about 5 minutes until the eggs are nice and cold. Don't ever try to take the skin off when the eggs are still nice and hot. You really want them to rest so that it's so easy to remove the skin of the egg. Look at this. This part is very important. You don't want to overcook your egg. You don't want to add your eggs into cold water. You always add your eggs into boiling water. And this makes it so easy for the skin to come off easily and fast. So here I'm just removing the skin of the eggs. I'm going to go ahead and continue, and then I'm ready to cube it. You want to cube it in medium-sized pieces. Look at this. Look how gorgeous these eggs look. They look amazing. And the skin came off just perfectly. So here I am ready to start chopping away. And I want to show you the inside of the egg. You want to cook your egg just enough. Don't overcook it because the yolk could get blue or green. And that's a sign that it was overcooked. And when you slice through the center, you could see the amazing color of the yellow of the yolk. Look at this. Let me tell you, once you make this delicious and very classic egg salad, you're going to continue enjoying it at home. Very few ingredients, but let me tell you, once you make it, you're really going to enjoy it. And now I am ready to add the dressing right on the top. The chili flakes I'm going to add directly into the plate when I am ready to enjoy it. Look how chunky this dressing is. I'm going to add it directly into the egg. I'm going to incorporate everything, of course. I'm not leaving anything behind because this really tastes amazing. Don't overwork your eggs. Just incorporate it just enough, but don't overwork it. I left the pieces of the egg a little medium size so that you could see throughout the egg salad. You could see all that amazing egg. And of course, this tastes amazing. Of course, I have white bread. I'm going to add some lettuce. Of course, if you don't want to add lettuce, that's fine. Do not omit the lettuce. And now I am ready to start topping right on the top my egg salad. This looks gorgeous and delicious. If you got to this part of the video, you love this amazing and classic egg salad, like, subscribe, and share. Look how easy it is to prepare a classic egg salad at home. I am ready to taste. I am ready to enjoy a little sprinkle of the chili flakes. And let's start slicing away and enjoying this amazing classic egg salad. Of course, I am going to enjoy it with a refreshing cucumber chia lemonade that you already have on my channel. This is the presentation plate. I'm going to add everything in here. I'm going to drizzle or sprinkle a little bit of the chili flakes right on the top. And let me tell you, I am ready to enjoy. When you come to my channel and you want to enjoy an amazing lemonade, just go to Cooking with Gloria, Aguas Frescas, or Lemonades, and you'll have so many different refreshing drinks on my channel. And here, of course, I have my cucumber chia lemonade made at home with lots of love. You have it on my channel. Enjoy and refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy.
Cooking with Gloria. Cooking with Gloria. A woman, a chef, she's your friend. Cooking with Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for you. Cooking with Gloria. With Gloria. Sharing family recipes for you to make. So many recipes, you'll find something for you. Cooking with Gloria.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing egg salad. Let me tell you, I am going to enjoy it with an amazing cucumber chia lemonade that you already have on my channel. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. Let me tell you, I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. delicious. Like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. Mm. Refreshing and delicious. If you like and love this amazing egg salad, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing egg salad made at home with lots of love. See you soon. Bye bye.
Chef, she's your friend.